How to cook roast potatoes in an air fryer, nice and crunchy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. Now I like to parboil my potatoes first, so I'm using Maris Piper variety and I'm going to parboil them for around about 10 minutes once that water has got to boiling. Then I drain them off and then add around about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. I make sure that each side is coated with the oil. And then I'm going to pop them in the air fryer, making sure that there's enough room between them. Don't overfill the air fryer. You want to pop your Ninja or your other air fryer on 200 degrees and for around about sort of 15 minutes for this size. Now every 4 minutes just give them a shake round. There you have it. Glorious roast potatoes. Now I like to add a couple of bits. I have some freshly grown rosemary and so I'm just going to chop and dice that up, and I love salt or even garlic salt, and then sprinkle that rosemary over the top. And maybe I shouldn't admit this, but I also like some butter over the top of them as well. How bad? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want the full written recipe, go to my website cookingwithemily.co.uk.